Don,
Hi, Daddy. I'm Angelina.
say hi, Daddy. I'm here at school. What are you gonna say?
I just want to say bye-bye to you.
Are you gonna like it?
Yeah.
Look at mommy.
Walking.
What you said?
I say this goes too long.
It's okay. It's gonna be fun. Mommy's gonna miss you. Look at mommy.
Bye.
Huh?
I say bye.
Bye. Love you. You be good, okay? See you later. Go.
Don't lose that, okay? You want me to leave? Huh?
Not yet, but you know. When they're like bigger, they go, you can go. Bradford!